Listen closely. The unseen has arrived. I am alone at home. Yet a strange chorus surrounds me. Faint scratches, distant whispers, and soft footsteps echo in empty halls. It starts when I'm alone. When everything goes still, the sound begins. I've heard scratching behind the walls, whispers in rooms I know are empty. No one believes me. I tried recording it. But when I play it back, there's nothing, except I know what I heard. And now, someone else has heard it too. They filmed this days ago in the same room. The sound is there, but they never noticed. It knows when you're alone, and it waits. Sometimes I feel it watching. Other times, it breathes behind me. You can't see it, you can't touch it, but once you hear it, it never leaves. I thought it was in the sound. Now I know. It's in the silence. If you hear it too, it means you're alone. Behind you,